So here's a little tip for putting LSA fuel rail back on. You gotta do the passenger side first. Get your number 2 lined up. You're gonna have to have the driver's side slightly elevated. You can use a wrench, kind of help guide the tip into the hole. Get that number 2 in there first, and kind of, sounds terrible, pivot. Working your way back. Go ahead and get your bolts started in for the fuel rail, and come around here. Don't have them all the way tightened down. And then you can start with this one. This one seems to work better going a second because of the hose on this side allows it to flex a little bit. You gotta rotate it back a little bit, and again start on this number 1, work your way back. Just a little something I found out helped a little bit.